Hi everybody. Well, it's package time. I've had a couple of things arrive in the mail and I need to get round and open them. Ooh, it's a package within a package. I wasn't expecting that, but it's certainly well packaged. Okay, I think we're there. So, that's what we've got. An Ohmite Decade Ranger. And basically it's a decade resistance box. So you can dial in the amount of resistance you want to put across these terminals, and it's supposed to be 0.1% precision accuracy, so I'm certainly hoping that's the case. And I'm going to have a quick look on my on my meter excuse me, to see how accurate this is. Okay, so I can't just plug those in. Okay, these should do. I'll switch these out for these. I don't know whether you can see that, there's probably a lot of reflection off it. Okay, what have we got here? Well, right now I'm reading 0.6, 0.7 of an ohm, which is probably the resistance of the leads themselves. So what have we just done? We've just added 10 ohms. Okay, so this should be 1 ohm. And 2. Once it settles, yeah, it's about right. So it was around 0.4 to start with. I've just added 2 ohms. You could see that. And let's go high, see what that gives us. Okay, we've got 100k. So this would be the point that the 1k starts, so that would be 1k, which it is. So I'm quite happy with that. So let's go back to 0 and that should be 0, which it's giving me about 0.4 of an ohm, but like I say, that's probably the resistance of my leads. Okay, well now what I'm doing is a relative measurement from the previous measurement. So currently we're reading 0, and that should go to 1 ohm, which it is. 2, this meter takes a while to settle down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that looks pretty accurate. Go back to 0. That should be 10 ohms. Well, 9.9, 20 ohms, 30 ohms, 40 ohms, and so forth. So I'm pretty happy with that. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. It also depends on the accuracy of this meter, which I don't think it's that accurate, but it's good enough just for testing this. So that should be 100 ohms, so we've got 99.9. So we'll go up one range. That should be 100 ohms. Not sure whether these switches need a bit of a clean. They might do. So 99.6 we're reading there. It should be 200. And that's smack on 200 ohms. Because the accuracy is also going to depend on the temperature of everything as well. So 300 ohms, 300 ohms. So I'm not going to go through everything. It's too monotonous to go through everything. I'll test it in my own time, but I just wanted to give it a quick test and see how it was performing, and it seems to be performing pretty well. Looks like it needs a couple of feet, 2 feet missing off the corner there. That's funny because there's feet. The feet on the back, I guess the ones on the back didn't get used much, which are, oh, they're screwed on anyway, but the ones that are stuck on, 2 of those are missing. But all in all, pretty happy with that. Do a little bit of a touch-up as far as the paint job, but other than that, yeah, quite happy. So that's what was in the package. That's the Decade Ranger Ohmite Precision Resistance Box, 0.1% accuracy. Catalogue number 3416. Okay, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Thanks again. Bye for now.